welcome to Nasyas Wonders. In this video, I will show you how to make yummy corn snack and homemade pizza sauce. Friends, please like and share my videos. New viewers, subscribe my channel. Here we go. For corn snack, we need canned sweet corn, which is available in all supermarkets. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon of butter and allow it to melt. Then add the corns and mix it. Cover the pan and cook it for few minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and mix it. Now add half teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix it. Now the corn snack is ready. It looks yummy. Friends, this is super easy, delicious snack. For pizza sauce, we need 5 pieces of tomato, 1 onion and few Kashmiri or normal red chilli. Boil some water in a pan and add all ingredients. Select the tomatoes like this so that it is easy to peel the skin. Friends, my pizza recipe link is in the description. Please click and watch. Once the tomatoes, onion and Kashmiri chilli are boiled, allow them to cool and then grate it to fine puree. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Once the garlic turns to golden brown, add tomato puree and mix it. Then cover and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add salt to taste. Again cover and cook for 1 minute. Now add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Now add half teaspoon of pepper powder and sugar and dried oregano. Cook it for 2 more minutes. Now homemade pizza sauce is ready. You can store it in a glass bottle and refrigerate for 2 weeks. Friends, hope you enjoyed this video. You also try this at your home. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press